Thank you for joining me today. I'm Sandra at artypapercrafters.com, an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I have a gorgeous little project for you today which uses the silver mini Gable boxes which are in the new 2018 Stampin' Up catalogue, which is here. And these are the little mini Gable boxes which make up like this. So they are super easy to make up, made up in literally seconds. I'm going to show you how they make up and how I have decorated it to match a little get well card that I'm sending to my niece because she's not very well at the moment, and I'd like to cheer her up with a little gift. So I've made her this little card, and I'm going to do a matching little gift with one of these mini Gable boxes, and it can coordinate also with this stamp set, which I think is beautiful. It's called Hold On to Hope. It's a bundle. It comes as a bundle if you wish, where you save 10%, or you can just buy the stamp set or the framelets separately, as you wish. And of course it's Celebration, so you can get free Celebration items. Today I'm going to be using some Calypso Coral ribbon which matches my project, and this comes as a set. This is a free Celebration item. When you spend £45 you get 3 rolls, and that's what it can curl like. It says to curl the shimmer ribbon, wrap it round a wooden spoon handle and wet it. Dry it with a heat tool, let it cool, and voila, curl. So wrap it around a wooden spoon and wet it. I wonder if I dare try that today. Anyway, let's crack on with our project, and we'll come to that in a moment. So I have taken one of these Gable boxes out. I think I forgot to say that they you get 12 in the box, and they measure 4 by 2.5 by 2.5, which is 10.2 by 6.4 by 6.4. So they're a good size. So before we make up our little Gable box, I'm going to stick my DSP on because I think it'll be easier. So I have got 2 pieces of DSP, and this DSP that I'm using today is called Bubbles and Fizz. Bubbles and Fizz DSP. It is, again, it is a free Celebration product. When you spend £45 you can choose a pack of this if you wish. It's all about bottles of fizz, lots of lovely bright colours, lots of bottles, things like that. It's a real quirky little set, and it matches in the new catalogue with a set called Bubbles and Fizz, I think it's called. So you get 12 in the set. Lovely. So let's put that away and crack on. So I've got those Bubbles and Fizz designer paper, and these measure 3 3/4 by 1 3/4, which is 9.5 by 4.5, and in yes, I've given you the centimetres, and you need 2. And then you need 2 pieces of this, which measures 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, which is 4.5 by 4.5, and you need 2 of those. So let's get some glue and stick those on. Let's move my little catalogue out of the way. So if you're interested in one of the new spring and summer catalogues and you don't have a demonstrator, let me know and I can post one out to you for free. So I'm centering my DSP with a nice neat little border all the way round. That goes on there. And what could be hearts to show some love to somebody. And then I'm going to pop on there my little hearts. And we're going to do a bit of stamping. So I've cut out this little heart, so let me bring you down a bit closer to me. I've cut out this little heart using my Sweet and Sassy framelit dies here. You get all those in the set. So I've cut out some little hearts, lots of them in silver here. And I've also cut this one out in Whisper White so that I can stamp on it. I have taken the sentiment Hope You're Feeling Special Today, which comes from the Garden in Bloom stamp set. And I've prepped that up on my block, and we are going to use Calypso Coral when I can get to it. We are Calypso Coral ink to match my design on my project. And then I might get my head in the way because I need to make sure this fits just perfectly on here. So sorry if I got my head in the way. And there, that's stamped that beautifully. And then I'm going to sit that on here on some dimensionals, of course. So this will be the front of my box. Stick that in there. And then I'm going to pop some little silver ones on as well. I think we'll have one there and maybe one here. Yeah. And I'm going to pop those on with dimensionals as well. So I'm going to need a lot of dimensionals. There we are. Cute. And I've used the silver cardstock to cut these out with, using my Big Shot, of course. And then I'm putting one in the centre there, and then we're going to turn it over. Now, I don't know if I want to put maybe some flowers on there. I think I might leave that blank and just put some hearts on the back, like that. And then we'll have one heart there. So more dimensionals. And pop that in the centre. Like that. Cute. Right, so now we make up our little box, which is easy peasy. So we just bend and just fold, and that's made that up. And then you need to bend and bend. And that untucks down into there, and bend, and then this one tucks down into there, and that forms the bottom. So that's nice and stuck. Obviously you put your gift inside, then you poke out these little end things that form the gables. Chuck those in the bin. Don't need those. Do you know what? I seem to be finding cat's hairs all over my top. And then bend that up that way. Bend that backwards that way. Do the same over here. Bend that one that way. This one this way. And then put your gift inside. And then these gable ends just fold in and close. Fold in and close. Snap it. That's that. How quickly was that made up? And these would be perfect for weddings or special occasions, anniversaries, parties, anything. Fantastic idea. Right, so now we're getting our ribbon, and this is Calypso Coral because it matches my designer paper. I don't think I want to start introducing. Do I want the grey? No, let's stick to this coral. So we need to tie a bow, and I'm just wondering if we just do a bow and fit it on. I think that's what I'm going to do. So let me get my scissors. We're going to tie a bow. And this is gorgeous ribbon, isn't it? So pull that up and pull to make that not tight knot. Now I'm going to try a method to see if this works. No, it doesn't work with that. Right then, so we're going to cut our ends just like we would for an ordinary bow. Like that. And this is shimmer ribbon. It's lovely. It's got lovely shimmer to it. And I think we're going to put our bow on the front there. I think that'll look good on there. So let's get some glue dots and put our bow on the front. So there we have it, our bow there, and I think that looks really pretty. Really pretty, so let's add a little bit of sparkle maybe, with some I've got my clear faceted gems. We're going to put a few of those on. Let's see, do we want one here? Yes, one there. That's perfect. And then I think that's it actually. I think that's enough. So that's perfect. One of those clear faceted gems. So that is my project today. What did I do with my card? And it matches my card, as you can see. I hope my niece likes that. I'm sure she will. That's my project for today, using the new products. I hope you liked it. And let's pull you out so that we can see each other better. There we are. So that's my project for today. I hope you liked it, and I'll be back in a few days' time with another project. Don't forget to pop over to Arty Paper Crafters, which is in this little down arrow description bar here. Pop over to Arty Paper Crafters and maybe subscribe to my blog so that when I post a new blog you will be informed in your email inbox. That's all from me for today. Thank you for joining me again, and bye for now. Bye.